Alright, so here we are on the home screen. We're going to go to New Project, and I had something up there. We're going to take it down. I'm going to go to Images, and I want to look at simply the free images. So let's go to Filter, go to Free. Alright, because I want everybody to have access to try this with me. Let's see, just kind of scrolling down. That's a thank you card. I just want something very simple. Let's do the butterfly. You can see down here in your icon, your tray, that you have it there. So what you want to do is click on your insert images right here. Boom, done. Now you see your image here, butterfly. There's a couple things you can do here. You can, in this upper right here, you see you can rotate. Boom, boom. Okay? You can stretch it out. You can make it smaller. Oh, wait a minute. Make it smaller. Boom, boom. You see that? Perfect. The other thing you can do is with this little lock button in the lower left, get back up there, lower left right there, you see how it unlocks? Okay. So what you do with that is you can change the width or the length or both. For the moment though, I'm going to leave this fairly small, and I'm going to click the lock button back because I don't want it changing size on me. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is take it back up to the top of my screen where I was working, and that's a cute little butterfly. The next thing I want to do is show you how to add text and weld text. So we are going to go to Text, and we're going to type in a simple hello. Okay, now you can see it pops up here, and it's showing it being in Cricut Sans. Well, I'd like to change that font. So up here at the top you have all fonts, you have system fonts, and you have Cricut fonts. I'm going to do system because system is something I have in my computer. And I'm trying to think of one that is one that everybody should have. That is, how about Freestyle Script? Let's try it. Click that. Okay, we have it here. So what I want to do is move this over here, blow it up a little bit, and see it's all selected. What I want to do is ungroup. Now what I've done by ungrouping is individually I can now resize or move these letters. So I want to, first of all, I want to resize the E, and I want to drop it down there, and I want to resize my L, and I want to move it over here, and I want to resize this L. Y'all, I'm just doing this to show you, okay? So don't get nervous and think, oh my God, what is she doing? Why is she doing that so fast? Just do it with me, okay? Just so long as they're all touching. Resize the O. And let me take that down a little bit because it looks kind of weird being up. Okay. You know what? I'm going to resize the H because, yeah, I don't... Oh, did you see me move the L? Just move it back. Boom. Done. Choose your H. Move your H over. Alright. So, what else? I'm kind of thinking... That's good. You know what? I'm a little not happy with this. So what I'm going to do here is slightly rotate that L and then move it back. Same thing with this L. I want to slightly rotate it. Maybe a little less rotated. And let's take the size down a little because I'm not liking it. Move over O. Alright, and that's pretty good, I think. Put the O back in there now. Okay, so yeah, now we have hello. So what I want to do now, in order to get those to stay where they are and cut out as one big word, I want to use my left mouse button and I want to make a box around it. Okay? Then I want to group them and then I want to weld them. Now that is one big word that's going to cut out all together. Okay? So what I'm going to do now is go up here to make it. Boom. As you can see, there's the hello. And then here are the individual pieces to be cut. Okay? See that? There you go. You have just learned how to put your letters together. Okay? I hope this helps somebody. If you have any questions for me, please let me know. I will be glad to go back through any process for you. If I don't know the answer, I'll find the answer. Thanks. Have a great day.